We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. We are marking up HOOK. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. On the monthly time frame, price action, last candle in the market is a doji. We are waiting for a follow-up candle to engulf the doji, or maybe the last candle in the market, push that market up to close out, or we're looking for a doji or a candle to close on the downside, market down. If not, we will continue to receive dojis or consolidation candles in this area. So price action highs, we can see we are near price action lows. And we have a midpoint in the middle. So let's take a look at what's going on, what happened in the market overall. So if you think about imaginary line pushing up to that top, so market spiked up once, spiked up twice, consolidated at a midpoint, spiked up a second time, spiked up a third time, altogether 4 pushes to that top of that area. Two major wicks in this market identified this market's going to drop. Price lost momentum at these highs, market dropped down. We got the engulfment candle with this area here. This candle engulfed the previous doji, pushed that market down. Price broke the midpoint, came all the way down to area support. We did not receive the retest, so we're going to see if that's going to happen. We're going to see if we're going to receive the break. We got the break. We'll see if the market's going to retest. We look for entry to see if that market's going to push down further. If not, that market's coming up. If not, that market's working its way sideways. We're going to see at this area consolidation, that market's going to push up, down, and sideways. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Let's see what's going on in the market. Price action on the weekly time frame is a doji. Second last candle is a bullish inverted hammer, so price is trying to work his way up. So price is trying to work his way up. Price broke the SR line, came back to retest the SR line, and we're actually at a retest candle that broke the SR line, so it's sitting on a retest. So we're going to see if that market's going to enjoy this pattern out. We're not identifying a retest yet. We'll probably see it on the daily time frame, maybe the 4 hour. But what this structure is doing, if this market's going to come back to that full retest, back up to that midpoint, we're looking for that market to draw that first leg, second leg, third leg for the retest. We don't know how far it's going to drop down. If, we're not too sure if we're going to see bearish candles in this market as well, for that market to push up for a W, and we'll probably see a break and retest. If that market's going to drop down, work its way down further, we did see the break. Market came back to retest. We look for entry, look for engulfing pattern, see if that market will push down further. And market price action will be making new lows to push down lower. Price action on the daily time frame is a bearish hammer. Price is working its way down. Okay, so if we take a look at where price is coming from that double top. So we do have that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest, market push down. So spike up this area here, spike up here. This is the consolidation double top. Market broke the SR line, so we're going to see if we're going to follow with a retest candle that's going to push that market further down, or is the market going to break bearish candles, then come back for a retest, then work its way down, or maybe just come right back up. So price action wick is lower than the previous wick, so this market can drop down further. The body is below the previous body of this candle, so that market definitely drop down further. After the closeout, we'll look at down the time frame to see what's going on. Like I said before, we are looking to see if we're going to receive that break and retest of the SR line. On the 4-hour time frame, price action candle bearish hammer, so price working its way down. Price body in wick of this candle is below the previous second, third, fourth, and fifth last candle, so market can't push down further. Let's walk down a 3-hour time frame to see what's going on. Don't see the retest yet. Headed down to the 3. So for daily 4, 3, 2-hour time frame, all identifying the same thing. Price action trying to engulf the previous 4 to 5 candles. Headed down to 1 hour. Same as well. On the 1 hour receiving retest. I don't think I see on the 2 hour. No. So on the 1 hour receiving retest candle. So let's talk about what's going on in that area. So we see a few retests, but it's not full retest for the market to come all the way back. So we did see that the market broke, consolidated, we didn't return back to SR line yet. Now the market is going to return that SR line. We look for the incline for that first, second, third. Market spikes up, coming from a double bottom. Market comes down. You can see we got the breakout to retest. So that means we're looking for an engulfing pattern here. And all we're doing is waiting for that closeout of this. And that market could be pushing it out further. You may want to wait around and see if we may want to wait for the third candle to form and see if it's going to be a third or fourth candle to form. It's going to be an extension of a push headed down to the 45-minute. So candles is working its way down. It's working its way down for that decline. Price action is reading just like the other previous candles, trying to engulf the opposite candle, push that market down. And as everything is pushing down from the 4 to 3 to 2 to 1 to 5:45, everything's an engulfment of the previous candle, wick and body. Now we're on the 15-minute, and now we're starting to get some resistance in that market. So price action candle is a solid bearish candle. Second last, third last candle is a bearish hammer. So price worked its way down, and this could be a retest candle at price, or if not, something sitting on. I mean, it's definitely a price action candle hanging out at that low. So we want to see if we got a break and retest as we walk down further in this area. So going on, we can see where market price is coming from that double top. We had double top and a retest. The market pushed down once so far. So if we look at the overall triple top, double top, market pushed down once. Headed down to the 5-minute. See what's going on. Price action on the 5-minute. We got that bearish. It looked like a solid bearish red candle. The price is, yes, working its way down. Price is doing, they all read the same structure. We got the engulfment to the previous second to last candle, but with this one, it's the fourth to last candle. Price is trying to engulf that wick to push that market down. Headed down to 3-minute. 3 minutes reading the same as the 5, and headed down to the 1 minute. And 1 minute is reading the same as well. So I think from everything from maybe the 4 hour down was all the candles trying to engulf the previous second candle or more to push that further down. So we started to see that break of the SR line on the 1 minute time frame. Very important information, guys. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, double tops, double bottoms, head and shoulders patterns inverted, head and shoulders, triple top, triple bottom. Very important information. Breakout retest strategy, guys. When the market is at an area of support, as we can see here, making it up to an area of resistance. The market is working its way up. We see that structure, that W, first, second, third, fourth. The price is trying to break the resistance. We receive the break. We wait for the market to return. We look for entry. So this is the area we look for that engulfment pattern right here. We look for some engulfment pattern. So that market's going to push up. Well, some pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet, which will be in that circle here. Identify that market's going to push up. We'll take it straight from there. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. HOOK. Stop.